Pagod ka na ba gumawa ng isang video kada araw? Gamit yung AI tool na to, pwede ka gumawa up to 5 to 10 videos a day. It's very simple, in just one click. Kagaya nito. So halimbawa, ito yung picture na to, okay, na-generate ko ng ganito.
Need shorts that move as hard as you do? These athletic shorts are built for comfort, flexibility, and every workout in between. Level up your performance. Grab yours today. Link in the comments.
And the best part dito guys, it's totally free. So paano ka maka-access dito? All you have to do is click the link in my bio, click the first tab, then click start for free. Tapos meron ka makikita na copy link, click the copy link, tapos ilagay mo sa browser kagaya ng Google Chrome, i-paste mo doon yung link. Tapos i-click mo yung start free ulit, tapos pipili ka na kung ano yung gagamitin mo sa pag-sign up. So I suggest, like me, ginamit ko dito is yung Gmail. So once natapos mo na ito, bumalik ka sa video na to, tapos mag-comment ka guide kasi ibibigay ko sa iyo yung step-by-step guide for free. At saka lagi mong tandaan yung equation na to, more content equals mas malaking chance na maging viral. At syempre, mas maraming komisyon. Scale smarter, hindi harder. Kaya gamitin mo na yung AI tool na yan.